Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to be talking about carbon fiber and what that is. Carbon fiber is a lightweight and incredibly strong material that is used in a wide range of applications across industries. It is composed of fibers made primarily of carbon atoms bound together with crystal alignment. These fibers are typically woven together to form a fabric-like material, which is then combined with the resin or other matrix materials to create composite materials with exceptional strength to weight ratio. Myself, I had worked with carbon fiber for quite some time, so I understand this material and some of the applications that potentially can have, um, some of the properties. And either way, I would like to cover carbon fiber in a little bit more detail, as well as when we were working with it. We've done a lot of interesting things. I don't know how much I can discuss. Yeah, but we did a lot of interesting things. And I had recently watched a video of people discussing how they are doing, and we did slightly different things. Let's stick to the script for now, and I'll take it from there, I guess. Straight and lightweight. Carbon fiber is known for its high straight to weight ratio, making it significantly stronger than materials like steel or aluminium, while being much lighter. Material this property makes it ideal for applications where weight reduction is critical, such as aerospace or sports equipment. Performance sports, I guess, where you're competing against others. Overall, as a material, it can take time to learn how to work with it. But once you get going, perhaps, and once you find the suppliers of everything what might be required of you, then definitely I would highly recommend for people out there to try working with carbon fiber. Aerospace industry, carbon fiber composites are commonly used in aerospace industry for components like aircraft wings, fuselage, and interior structures. These materials help reduce the overall weight of aircraft, improving fuel efficiency and performance. I know companies in UK, but I'm not entirely sure how many companies there are entirely in Europe who are up there working with carbon fiber. 10? 15? And if so, where those companies are based? France, Germany, perhaps. I wish there was more companies, right? And perhaps, if not, there should be more companies who were to work with carbon fiber. Especially, there are some interesting projects out there who are looking to progress into larger projects, and the way how they are doing it, they would begin with the smaller. I don't know how much information I disclose, but either way, they would begin with the smaller projects. Uh, they would keep selling those and progressing into larger projects. Larger projects, they would build a team around those projects, which is a very interesting idea. What, if anything, I would like to encourage those startups and some of the companies out there venture into some of the perhaps try to reach out some of the suppliers who do provide or offer services for carbon fiber materials, even though, especially in the beginning, it can be challenging to work with. Automotive industry, carbon fibers is increasingly being used in high-end and performance vehicles to reduce weight and enhance strength. It can be found in components like body panels, chassis parts, and interior trim. Sports and recreation, carbon fibers are extensively being used in sports goods such as tennis rackets, golf clubs, bicycles, and fishing rods due to its lightweight and stiff characteristics. It allows athletes to generate more power and control. Myself, I have been working with different materials. I was just trying to imagine what kind of were potentially use cases. Well, then you would begin working with different materials. So let's say, just to put into perspective, right? If you were up there working with wood, you yourself, after taking perhaps 4 12 weeks to learn how to work with wood, you would see, oh, what can I do with it, right? So you perhaps at home you would make I don't know, like a table. You might be interested in making a chair and progress from there. Some of applications that you might find yourself. Same with the sports and the recreation, and some of the applications that people who really understand carbon fiber and some of the interesting things that they can do with it. How those people out there might be interested in taking a look at some of other applications there and what they can make. Marine industry. In the marine industry, carbon fiber components are used for boat hulls, masts, and other components to improve performance and durability while reducing weight. Wind energy. Carbon fiber is employed in manufacturing of wind turbines blades because it can be potentially can withstand in the stress imposed by high winds and provide improved energy efficiency. So they definitely have a lot of applications there. There definitely do have those. Industrial and military applications. In the use of various industrial and military applications, including armor, drones, and structural components, where strength, durability, and lightweight properties are essential. There are some applications there. Medical devices. Some medical devices, such as lightweight wheelchairs and braces, incorporate carbon fiber for its straight and lightweight characteristics. Consumer electronics. Carbon fiber is sometimes used in high-end consumer electronics products like laptops, cases, and smartphones. Cases for its aesthetic appeal and straight. Again, I'm not entirely sure how they are doing it. We didn't how slightly different, but it depends of how much material you have and what you are planning to do with it. Cost and production. While carbon fiber has many advantages, it can be expensive to produce and overall move around into particular shapes, and how you're gonna do that. That's a part that I'm most interested in, how others would do it. I have seen some videos recently where people would do that with vacuum. We were doing in a large oven, so we were cooked it, so we were cooking it. But it depends, right? Because it's how much investments people are looking to make before starting to work with carbon fiber, as well as potentially carbon fiber as a material has a use by date. So it's something to take on board of where some of the materials out there that necessarily would have that, as well as different other supporting materials that will be required and how hard it can be transport those other supporting materials. Some people out there know what I'm talking about. The production process involves carbonizing pressures materials at high temperatures, and the weaving and impregnation with resin require precision and expertise. It can be, yeah, it's very hard to find, potentially, it can be very hard to find professionals who are able or would have necessary expertise within industry to work with particular materials. If yourself as a business owner is something that you are interested in, it can be challenging, especially down the line, keeping those people, as well as you can imagine, most of the time we see young people, right? So they need to see career progressions and all the good stuff. For people out there who are interested in learning more, I have published a course recently. In that course, I'm delving into more detail of what would be required for any highly performance individual to be at the peak of their performance and understand fundamentals and where to begin. I have classified 12 different areas where I'm focusing within the course. You can find more information on my company's website, as well as if you need more information or guidance, feel free to reach out to me. I'm there to support you. as well as I have published this course in PDF file. I have made a video. So there's different formats available of that for people of that, as well as I have made other different tools as well to support all the people taking a course and making sure that they would learn as much as they can within the course. You can find it in the description below. Carbon fibers have revolutionized various industries by providing combinations of straight, lightweight, and durability. So depending on what you are looking to build, or you're already building, and perhaps you're looking to improve some of the quality of products that you're offering, I would highly recommend to check it out, carbon fiber. And if it's something I'm not selling it, so no, but overall, I'm just interested overall myself is something that I'll most likely gonna be working in the future with. Its high cost can limit its use in some applications, and its production process can have environmental impacts, particularly in terms of energy consumption and emissions. Researchers and manufacturers continue to work on developing more cost-effective, environmentally friendly ways to produce and recycle carbon fiber materials. Remember, we had the same problems. By the way. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one.